Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, did you see what everything was? I just put it in. You can go back and look, but I'll tell you also what everything was. I was really excited about this month because it's something different. With the crunch stitch, I wanted to make something different. So at school where I work with 6th through 8th graders. A lot of kids were wearing these, and it just reminded me of the barefoot sandals. But these, I'm not really sure why these started becoming popular. These are called either chain gloves, hand chains, or slave bracelets. And I'm not even going to speculate on the stories. I read, so in my tutorial, I give a little bit of what I read, but I read so many stories about why these are called what they're called, and a lot of them are conflicting as well. So I don't know why they got these names, how they got these names, but these, at least around here, are very popular. And it reminded me, when the kids started wearing these, it reminded me of when I was a kid in the 70s. I owned a pair of barefoot sandals, and they were made of beads. They was like beads over elastic, so they were stretchy, but they were just, very 70s like. And I thought, oh gosh, I can make a matching set. So the tutorial I have for these isn't a separate tutorial, but it's both. It's a tutorial for both the hand chains, whatever you want to call them, chain gloves, slave bracelets, and the barefoot sandals. I didn't have anybody guess it in my comments, but did any of you think that? I'm just curious what you were thinking what I had last week was. So hopefully it was a surprise. What we're going to do this week is we're going to have voting. The voting poll is on my channel, but the other channels who are doing the Battle of the Stitches are also going to share my post. So you can find the voting poll in their posts as well. But we are going to announce next week who the winner was of the voting poll. But for those of you who commented in the voting poll, if you just vote, it's not enough because we only see numbers with the voting. But if you leave a comment, then we know that you were here. You don't have to say anything major. You could just say, love the project, I voted, whatever you want to say. Just be nice. We're going to pick somebody who can win the project. We'll put everybody whose names were in the comment section of the voting poll. We're going to put them into a spinny wheel, and we'll draw a winner. And that winner can pick whatever project they want of the 4 of ours. So if somebody won for getting the most votes, if you win for winning the prize, you can pick any of ours. It doesn't have to be the winning project that you pick. You can pick the winning project, but you can pick whatever project you want to be your prize. So that's something a little bit different that we're doing this month, and we're going to continue that forward. It's just easier to have one voting poll and to let you choose which project you want, because you might not want the winning project. You may not have voted for the winning project, even though it got the most votes. So I hope to hear from you, and I'm excited about this collab. If you're interested in joining us, let us know. You can join us as a content creator and compete with us. You can join us as a content creator and just do videos alongside of us and not be part of the competition. You can show the stitch the first week, you can give a sneak peek the second, and so on, but just not be part of the competition. Or you can make projects and show them on the Facebook group. We do prizes every 4 months. The next prize will be July. So that's coming up soon. We picked somebody who was participating and showing us pictures of their project. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to comment and we'll help you out. Bye.